Meet Tokentry, the no-code way to launch audited ERC-20 tokens across Ethereum, Base, BNB, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. Start free on testnets, add advanced features when you're ready. Multi-chain support, launch on Ethereum, Base, BNB chain, Polygon, Avalanche, and Arbitrum, plus testnets. Advanced features, burning, minting, pausing, taxable, choose only what you need, fee applies per feature. Tokentry dashboard, see wallet status, network info, gas price, recent tokens, and activity. Track totals across any EVM network. Deployed tokens, a single place for every token you've launched, address, network, features, and history. Export details or jump to block explorers. Create, launch, grow. Launch your audited ERC-20 token in minutes, no coding experience needed. Start free on testnets or deploy to production across 6+ major blockchains. Ready to deploy? Visit Tokentry.io and connect your wallet to begin.